They want a real nigga. Talk about 100, keep it real, nigga. Ain't got a stunt, fake hustler, can't deal with you. And the ladies play for keeps, I could build with you. She want the clean whip. They want shining with the chains with the clean kicks. Smoking kush beyond 10, he be sipping in. Pickups and drop balls, he be getting it. Boss status really living, yeah. Ladies love me how I move, some think I'm weird. Cause I'm a grind to the T, you won't see me here. Pop up and be fresher than a baby hair. New whips that they never stared. Jump out, loud weed in the air. TV with Netflix while I'm shifting gears. Got to taking off my shoes, playing with my bed. It's real fast that I'm in the loop. In the coupe, chain and watch, fresh head to my boots. They salute, know the truth that I'm getting that you. In my crib in the cut, and they want to come through. TV's on the wall, Molly, and she rock to get loose. If you ain't trying to get stretched, you should exit the room. Me and my team know none of the cues. For the best of everything, from the cars to the Jews. Tell these parties what the breeze show up, I need to. Lethal assassin on the street, and the bed in the booth. GRC, you know I rob my goons. The ones looking top notch from the loft to the stoop. Play the block, keep it G where all my change my goons. Try to play me and be missing your tooth. Huh?